Hello everyone, how's it going? It's me, Cap10323 here, and today we're going to be taking a look at a Lawnboy10323, as in my username. I recently picked this lawnmower up on Craigslist for $20 because I needed a new lawnmower. My previous Lawnboy, which was a 10247 that I had repowered with a Briggs & Stratton engine, the engine recently threw a connecting rod and I decided it wasn't worth saving. So I picked this up. Now these lawnmowers used to be everywhere. Pretty much everyone I knew who owned a Lawnboy owned one of these. Multiple of my neighbors, many of my friends, but they've all kind of gone the way of the dodo, and you'd be hard-pressed to see one of these things still in use in most of the country. This one's a 2000 model, but I believe that they made these from 1996 until 2006. May have been 2005, I'm not 100% sure. It's got a 6.5 horsepower Duraforce engine. Now these mowers were manufactured by Toro, not actually Lawnboy, when Lawnboy was a subsidiary of Toro. I believe they're now a subsidiary of some Chinese company, so my how times have changed. I think this one was pretty lightly used, judging by the deck and the wheels. The woman who I bought it from said her father bought it new. Like every other Lawnboy with the Duraforce engine, the problem with this one was that the ignition coil had failed. That's pretty much what took 90% of these mowers out of service. The ignition coils, I believe, were made by NGK, and they had a fault where moisture would get inside and it would short them out, and the machines would stop running. Luckily, replacement ignition coils are like $15, so it's not hard to bring one back from the dead, but a lot of people just threw them away. I've got it set up with the side bag, an OEM chute, and a bag manufactured right here by the Cleveland Canvas Company, right by the lake. Very, very good bags for a very, very good price. Probably the highest quality bag you can still buy for Lawnboys, and I think they're $25. If you'd like to buy one yourself, www.clevelandcanvas.com. So I'm going to go ahead and I'll fire this thing up and give you a little demonstration. My grass is pretty tall if we walk over here. I've already mowed this side of the yard. But if we walk over here into my side yard, you can see the grass is probably 2.5 inches tall. We had a ton of rain and now it's about 95 degrees out here, so the grass is just growing and growing and growing. Anyway, without further ado, I'm going to set my phone, yes, I'm filming with my phone, up on a tripod, and I'll give you a little demonstration of cutting some grass with this mower that you just don't really see anymore.